Good afternoon, I'm Jarvis from Wayner Global, and today we're going to go over how to add an expansion pack to your solar panel system on your unit. Your unit comes pre-wired to a roof port and it's solid connected, so you will have to cut the wires in order to add an expansion pack. I've went ahead and marked this wire and cut it, and now you need to take your meter and check the voltage to ensure that you hook it up correctly, positive to positive, negative to negative. As you can see, I have 14.8 volts. My red lead here is telling me this is my positive wire. So this is the positive wire, so that's why I've marked it, so we ensure that we hook up the same every time. We are going to add an MC4 connector, a male connector, and it takes the female insert. I'll grab my crimpers here. Make sure I got the correct wire. Have a good solid connection. Insert it. You're going to hear a click. Tighten down the weather tight nut, and we're going to add the female side so this can connect to it, and it will take the male terminal. Insert, you'll hear a click. And now with your second panel, you'll have Y connectors, some branch connectors that look like this, or they could be the solid hard plastic ones. They'll still have two males and a female, and two females and a male. You're able to plug in your branch connector, and then you can take your positive connector from your new panel, you'll plug it in, and then your male connector from your original one that you just put an MC4 connector on. Now you've made your connections for the positive cables on both panels. Now we can do the same thing for the negative cables. It's going to be the male with the female this time. I've already pre-stripped this one. Now you're able to use your branch connector, plugged in, connect your both negative leads from both panels to your branch connector. Now you've just added another panel to your existing solar array. You'll want to make sure that when you cut the wires and check for polarity, so you ensure that you connect positive to positive and negative to negative.